guys, so today we will learn the new hook which is introduced in the React 19, which is a useFormStatus hook. So let's go. So I am just creating one button to use the useFormStatus hook and using it in the form. So I have added form component here, adding one new functional component as a button. Here just returning button component. Here we can use the status of the form in the button component. So here you don't need to pass any prop like form loading or disabled button. So we can use the state here and we can disable button. So here I am just importing the use form status from the React DOM. So here we got the status as pending. So now I am just showing the uh, button name as per the status. So if pending, then show as a submitting. If not, then only submit. So yeah, that's it. And type should be button here. Sorry, so type should be submit here. Yeah. So in the form, so in the form on action on submit action, you can call the action like submit form. Yeah. So but it's not defined. Need to import it. Okay. So yeah. So submit button is here. So when you click on it, that should be action here. When you click on it, you can see the submitting text. Submitting title is changing. Just changing the throttle here to 3D so you can clearly see title is changing or not. Yeah. So now you can see the title is changing to submitting. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.